Hey guys, we're right here on 39th Avenue and Selden, right smack in the middle of Northern and Dunlap. You'll find this beautiful home across the street from Hashoni Park. It's 4 bedroom, 3 bath with a 2-car garage, fully paid off solar panels. The awesomeness about paid off solar panels is that you either don't have a bill or you have a really small bill. Let's check it out. This awesome place is really near GCU. So if it's for you personally, or you want to rent it out, you're always gonna have a tenant. It has awesome features. It got gutted completely. The plumbing is brand new, the AC is brand new, the flooring is brand new. Come, check it out, check it out.